This next problem is a radical problem that looks a bit complicated, but like most problems, if you start off with what you know and try to simplify things, it'll probably look a lot easier. So let's start off with what we do know, which is probably that the square root of 64 is 8. So let's fill that in first. We have 8 minus 2 times the cube root of 8 is all under the square root of 2 to the 8th power. And all of that is inside of a square root. So maybe the next thing we could simplify is the cube root of 8. The cube root is simply asking what number multiplied by itself 3 times gives you that number. So inside of the house is an 8. 2 multiplied by itself 3 times gives you 8. So on the bottom now we have 8 minus 2 times 2, which is 4. And on the top we have the same as before. So now the bottom simplifies to just 4. And let's look at the top for a moment. The square root of anything to a even power is just half of the powers, which is to say that the square root of 2 to the 8th power is just 2 to the 4th power. Well, there's two reasons for that. You could think to yourself, well, 2 to the 4th power times 2 to the 4th power is obviously 2 to the 8th power because you add exponents when you multiply two numbers with the same base in different exponents. So 2 to the 4th times 2 to the 4th is just the 4 plus 4 equals 8. So the square root of 2 to the 8 must be half of 8. Or the exponent must be half of 8. Another way you can think about this, though, is to simplify the radical into an exponent. So 2 to the 8th power is all inside a half power, because a square root is equivalent to a half exponent. And as we already know, exponents outside of exponents mean to multiply. So 8 times a half is just 4. So we have 2 to the 4th power. Well, everything is under a radical right now, so we still need to simplify things. 2 to the 4th power, you can guess is 16 because 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. That's another way of saying that. 16 over 4 is definitely 4. The square root of 4 is 2. That's why the final answer, that's why everything written before is actually just equivalent to 2.
Hi, I'm Justin, co-founder and CTO of Achievable. If you've enjoyed this video, you'll love our GRE course. Achievable GRE includes everything you need to get a top score. Our comprehensive online textbook, videos just like this one on dozens of key topics, a built-in study planner to keep you on track, an essay grader with instant feedback to improve your writing, thousands of drillable review quizzes, and plenty of full-length practice exams. Our course is competitively priced, and you can try it out for free to see if our instructional style is the right fit for you. Follow the links below to get started.